Hey, hey, wreath makers, how are you today? Come on in. You guys, we are going to open the Wreath Supply subscription box from Decoexchange today. So, spoiler alert, if you would rather wait until the 10th when they open, just hop on out of this live, or if you'd wait to see what you have in your goodie box when your own mail gets delivered, just keep scrolling, guys. But for everyone else who's super excited, like I am, let's see what's in this month's box. Let me just see if anyone's hopped on yet. Say hey when you're hopping on. Hello, hello. Come on in, folks. Okay, so we're getting ready to open this month's Wreath Supply goodie box from Decoexchange. This is the subscription box. If you don't know, you can actually subscribe to the monthly subscription box from Decoexchange, and every month you'll get a box of curated goodies to make a design. Sometimes it's a wreath, sometimes it's a swag. One never knows. So, are you ready? The box is open. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Make sure you say hello. I'm trying to hide this from you when you're hopping on. Okay, guys, it's looking pretty springy in here. So this is just, I think it's a basic box or a standard subscription box. There's also deluxe options if you prefer. So we've got 2 rolls of 10-inch mesh. So this purple, it's like a purple, gray, white, and a green. Super cute. And of course it's poly mesh. We've got another roll of poly mesh that's a super bright yellow, and then it's got stripes on the side, on the ends, excuse me, that are purple, pink, and black. Hello, hello. We've got lots of florals. You guys, I know it's super bothersome to some people when you take it out of the plastic. So I'm going to leave it in there and just hold it up and show you. But it's just really pretty wildflowers. There's blue, orange, purple, pink, different types of greenery. And it looks like there are, gosh, maybe 6 of those stems in there. A couple more floral bushes. These are the same, so there's 2. And then we've got some ribbon. Hey, Mason, how are you? You guys, here's the truth. Nikki doesn't have her glasses on, so I can't really read the comments. Forgive me. Okay, we've got a couple, well, 4 rolls of ribbon. So we've got a 2.5-inch that looks really cute. It's just floral, and I see some cute bees. Let me hold this up and see if you can see that. Better yet, let's just get into it. That is super cute. Look, you guys. How stinking cute is that? So far, that's my favorite thing in the box. And then we've also got a 1.5-inch that's black and white, says polka dot with a hot pink like lace edging. We better check that out too. So full disclosure, this is just my 3rd subscription box from Decoexchange. It's the 2nd time I've gone live opening it. And when I did it the first time, I had some folks comment and say, you know, I should be waiting until the 10th. And so I panicked and took it down. But I did reach out to Decoexchange directly and just make sure, you know, I wasn't in breach of anything. So we're good to open. Anyway, there's what that looks like. And then the other two, we've just got a solid purple and then this striped. Last thing in the box is a sign. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't even. You ready? How stinking cute is that? That is adorable. So I'm thinking probably extra large cruffles for this design. Last month we did the poof and double curl. But that's it. That's everything in this month's box. What do you think? I'll leave a link if you haven't yet subscribed and you'd like to from Decoexchange. I'll leave their link for you below. Bye guys.